Okay, we will gonna study now how to draw Lewis structure for polyatomic ions. Because we know already what are polyatomic ions, and we know that the polyatomic ions has charge. So for example, first of all, you need to check what charge the polyatomic ion has. For example, this one, NH4, this has a charge positive. Positive, we know positive means cation, and cation means it loses electron. How many electrons? Plus, there is no number means 1. It means it is losing 1 electron. This is you need to keep in mind before you are drawing. So for example, if you are drawing NH4, we know nitrogen is 7. The same way we will do, this is nitrogen, and it has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and we know that the nitrogen, we said that it's an NH4. So you draw 4 hydrogens, you draw hydrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen, and each hydrogen has 1, so it can make a bond like that, it can make a bond like that, it can make a bond like that. So if you turn into the Lewis structure, you can see it has a single line with each hydrogen. And how many lone pairs nitrogen has? If you see here, this is sharing with this is sharing with this is sharing with this is sharing with this. And we have 1 extra electron only left on nitrogen. Okay, what did we discuss earlier? We said that it is NH4 positive. It means it needs to lose 1 electron. So can we remove this extra electron from here? Yes, we can. So the final structure will be in single bond hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen without any lone pair, because we had 1 extra electron, and we said because it is cation, so it loses 1 electron. For example, if you're taking another example of OH negative. Negative means, what does the negative means? Negative means it is gaining 1 electron, gaining 1 electron. So for example, if you're drawing oxygen, we know oxygen is 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And hydrogen is only 1, so it is making and sharing a bond like that. We need to add 1 more electrons. Where I can add? If you see, if you turn this into the Lewis structure, you see there is a single line here. And how many lone pairs? We have 2 lone pairs up, we have 2 lone pairs down, and we have only 1 single electron. It has -1 charge. It means I can add 1 extra electron. Where I can add? Here is the place, because that was the lonely electron. So here, this one, at this point, I can add 1 extra electron to make this OH negative. So this is the structure for polyatomic ions. This is the case if you have positive. This is the case if you have negative. Positive means you need to lose 1, and negative means you need to gain 1. It depends if you have 1, 2, 3, it depends.